everyone! Today, I am with my sister in the experiment.
What's her name?
Her name is Gwen,
Okay.
and she wants to join my experiment. So, our experiment is another experiment about density. Here are the ingredients. Some food coloring, ice, a lot of ice cubes, water, an empty container, baby oil, vegetable oil. So let's start. First, we're gonna put vegetable oil into the container.
Ooh. Like chicken.
Anyways, that's enough.
That's enough.
So after this, we're gonna put the baby oil next. I will open this.
Yeah. Go, Gwen.
Do I have
You should open it.
Okay. One for you and one for Gwen.
Should
Oh.
I open mine?
Okay.
Give the other one to me. I'll
Okay.
open. Okay, oh, you put them together.
Carefully spill it.
You can press it,
You
anak.
can squeeze
Good.
it.
Yeah, you can squeeze it. Good. Oops, one at a time. You wait for Kuya to finish.
Okay. Does he have to put all?
Yeah, I think so.
It's like water.
Yeah.
It's squeezing like water.
Go, Kuya. You need help?
Be careful. But squeeze it as hard as you can.
Wow, it's sounding like glass.
You
This is perfectly
Oops.
yellow.
No. Go pa.
You want
Sige.
all?
Yeah, put it all.
I'm going to put mine next. Well, this is going to get squeezing.
Maybe Gwen can help na lang in the ano.
Empty.
It's empty.
Actually, on our next step, we will put the food coloring into the water. Let's put it. There you go.
It's okay.
Enough. It's just one drop. We should mix it. Of
Looks
course,
like-
we should mix it.
It looks like blood.
Yeah, I know, but it's red, but it's a bit darker. Yeah, you see, it's even darker. But when you put it up, it's very light.
Yeah,
It
it is light. It's
It's
still
orange.
good.
When you put a little one up, it
Okay.
looks orange.
Okay, let's put it down.
Grace,
Oops. Sorry about that. Let's
our
put it
next step is we will pour all of this
Be careful.
into this.
down. Can you do that?
container.
Do it with two hands. Ano?
Okay, I'll carefully.
Okay. Okay na yan, Gwen. Don't cover it. Yeah.
Okay.
Kuya can do it on his own.
Careful.
Good job, Kuya.
Make sure.
Oops. Oops, stop. Too much.
Grace, it's enough. As you can see, it became red. Wow!
And red bubbles.
And there are floating bubbles.
And it looks like
It's like a lava lamp.
it's like
Actually, as you can see, the water is below, the vegetable oil is in the middle, while the baby oil is at the top. So let's put ice cubes and see if it floats your sink.
Okay, can you let Gwen do it?
You're a
Go, Gwen.
I'm pro.
Okay.
Or should I hold it?
You just put it one by one. Just put like
Just
a
carefully
few
do
lang.
it like this.
Yeah,
It's a
okay.
bit slippery.
Yeah, go.
Oh, let's drop it.
Okay,
As you
good.
can see, it sinks.
Yeah. Go, Gwen.
Let's try filling a lot of ice cubes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's fill another one and make it. Yep, it's slippery, so you
Let me
have
try
to
a
be
small
careful.
one.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be really careful at this ice. It's very slippery after a very long time.
That's
It
okay
could
na,
be
anak.
really
That's a lot na.
So this is our conclusions. Baby oil is the least dense, followed by ice, then the vegetable oil, and then the most dense is water. So bye. Bye. Say bye.